I'm here with the Eagle River Independence Day Parade, where we'll take in the sights and the sounds of today's events.
Make some noise if you love the United States of America!
We are selling tickets for the 50/50 raffle to support the Historical Society.
Whatever $45 worth is, so 45 of us. USA! USA!
We've been coming here for the past 20 years probably. We hit all the parades in the area, never miss it.
We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Reporting in Eagle River, Nick Van Zyl, Newswatch 12.
There we go.